What's up everyone, MotorAlli here, and today we've got the first mods to the Civic. Well, it's not really a mod. I mean, you might class it as a mod. First of all, we've got the handrests on the side. Right, the stock Civic comes in this weird plastic silver colour, and as you can see, it's like wearing off band a bit. On the driver's side, we also got the same over there. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to take it out. We're going to wrap it in matte black. Hopefully soon I can get this center console done as well, but that will be for another video because that might take a bit more. But yeah, first of all, let's get to taking this out, take the one over there out, and then we're going to wrap it in the matte black. The matte black is just going to be a normal wrap. Reason why not being carbon fiber is because loads of people actually use carbon fiber. And yeah, so basically, so the first mod to the Civic. Do you want to call it a mod? If you guys call it a mod, comment down. Because, I mean, I am more defined colour, I guess. Who knows? Well, anyway, yeah. So, we're going to take this off now. Go upstairs, get the wrap, put the wrap on, and boom. We're going to put it in and see how much better it looks. Right. Right, so what we're going to do to get this out, you see this hole here, I'm going to put something inside and then push it. Right, there's no screw in it, it's just one of those push fits ones. So I've got an Allen key here, I'm going to put it in, and then what I'm going to do, get an Allen key, I'm going to push it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Sorry. Right, okay, so now you pushed it, and this part comes out. So if we take a look inside, it's just that. Right, and then this will go back on like so. Alright, and then this is on the back side of it, and yeah, as you can see, no screws. Right, so that's good, so you don't have to get some awkward screw in, so that's alright. The other one's the same. I've done it here. So yeah, right, so let's go to the top and actually wrap these, and then come back down and put them on. Right, see ya. First of all, you need your wraps. I've got 2 pre-cut already to size, a hairdryer, the object you're going to wrap, crafting knife, squeegee, and some wipes to clean the surface. So my plan is to take the back off, or half of the back off, put this on like this, you know, and then start folding it over. If I need the heat from the hairdryer, I would need it, and all the excess can be cut off with this. The squeegee is so that I can smooth down with no air bubbles on the front side, and I'm going to do this in a minute. So let's get straight into wrapping this on a time lapse. Let's go. Boom. Bad. You actually need some scissors as well. I have completed the first one. I won't record the second one because the second one will be exactly the same as the first one, and it's turning dark. But oh, look at the difference! Look at that difference. Right, from from silver, right, to matte black. Yeah, I could paint these, but I mean, I don't know. Can you paint these? Probably can, but they might come off again. Whereas a wrap, it's going to stay on until it, until it starts stacking. I've got one air bubble, maybe a few air bubbles in there. It's not that much, but there's a big difference between both of these. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back to the car and I'm going to install these. Right, so I got this side, I've got the one over there. Right, I'm going to put these in now. All you need to do is line it up, and then you're going to push it in. So I'm going to line it up, right, and then we're going to push it in, and that's it. That one's done. Time for this one over here. Again, this one's take a bit more time to do because I've just wrapped it, so it's going to have a tighter fit. But yeah, so I might put the camera down to put this on. That is what it is. We've got this side in black, right, quite clean, and then you've got this side over here which is in this colour. You know what, I do like the black a bit more, not gonna lie. This colour is quite nice looking at it back, but the black looks just a bit more special. The next thing to do would be, okay, of course, that side, and then we want to do this. We've got two pieces, we've got the bottom one, we've got this one. This one will be more trickier because you've actually got vents, right, to clear, and then you've got buttons to also clear. I'm pretty sure if we look at the vents, you can see the top bit's also in this colour. So I think the best thing to do for this one would actually be paint it, but I don't have any paint and I've got leftover wrap. But yeah, imagine this all black. That'd be quite cool, not gonna lie. Obviously, the amount of wrap you can get a different colour. I might in the future get a different colour, maybe match the colour of the actual car and put it here and the sides, right? We also got these little locks as well, which probably is best to be painted because of the shape these are. But yeah, that's for the future. Right now we're sticking with that. I mean, it just looks quite nice, not gonna lie. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna do the other one, put that in properly, and then boom, see you guys another video. If you guys like to do, if you guys like the Civic, alright, leave a comment, leave a like. If you want some more car videos, tell me what to do, right, and I'll try and do them, obviously within a budget and insurance purposes. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. It's been MotorAlli. Peace.